Say hello to Arnold the Jeep. This is a 1957 Jeep CJ5. And, well, if I was looking at an ad on this right now, they might say ambitious restoration. Which I think is kind of a little bit of a misnomer for, oh my gosh, what a basket case. But you know what? I don't care. It's a $500 vehicle. How good can a $500 vehicle be? I have made one major accomplishment. I got the tailgate working. I'll take my victories where I find them, you know. Yeah, the passenger side is really tragically weight reduced. But, you know, you can buy panels for these, so that's not a huge impediment. And it's got these kind of unusual, to my experience, lockout hubs. They turn with a screwdriver, and they come out about half a turn, they pop out. I've never seen these before. Not a big deal. I mean, yeah, the poor old thing has seen better days, but you know, you got to figure it's 67 years old. So you got to expect a little bit of a challenge. And here's something cool, or not. No engine. That was one of the reasons it's a $500 vehicle. Just some tragically bad wiring. Still has the original serial number tag. They didn't have VINs for Willys back then. The horn, that might work. I'll have to test it later. And as you can see, no bell housing on the transmission. And, well, everything's kind of dry, but I don't see a lot of crusty buildup down there, so that's a potentially good sign. The frame doesn't look bad. I mean, it's better than the one on my '09 Ranger right now. Still has the original oil bath air cleaner, and at some point in the past somebody did a 12-volt conversion because there's the voltage inverter for it. I haven't decided, bang, I have not yet decided what I'm going to do about an engine. Part of me wants to go stock, part of me wants to go small block Chevy, but at this point everything's on the table. Oh, and this is kind of cool. Despite its advanced age, Arnold still has the original glass turn signal lights. Lenses. Yeah, it needs a lot of body work. No two ways about that. Needs a gas tank, needs seats. Oh, needs some glass. And I love this. I didn't realize it, but back then they only had one dash light. I think that's hilarious. A couple of momentary switches. I'm pretty sure one's the horn and one's a starter. I don't know which is which. Some owner installed switch. Oh, and check this out. I think that's rebuildable, and it's a Spartan. It's got the old Armstrong steering. I think I might be able to rebuild this. Damn it, what the hell's biting my ankle? So, the T90 transmission is looking pretty dry and probably not very movable at the moment. So I am going to try a trick that my dad taught me. In his first career as a professional mechanic, in situations like this, he would soak apart in a 50-50 mix of automatic transmission fluid and acetone. And while there is some debris and so forth on top of the transfer case right there, I don't think it looks too bad. and it at least goes a little bit. Didn't quite engage, but I can feel it trying. If it comes to it, I'll just rebuild the transfer case and the transmission. Although I do have a line on another transmission. And I found this under the spare tire in the back. The engine plate. Ostensibly that goes to the original F-head 4-cylinder engine. And as I said, I'm kind of contemplating what I want to do with that. Oh, here we go. You are, I'm sure, familiar with the phrase radio delete. That took it to kind of an extreme. And I got the glove box door working. Too bad there's not a glove box. And I got the window latches operable, if not easy. Underneath here we have a Willys branded gasoline heater. Yeah, I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to throw it away or anything, but I am going to finagle a coolant operated heating system. Maybe I can turn this into some sort of a subwoofer enclosure. We'll see. Yeah, this is going to be a big project, no question about that. My big purpose in buying this vehicle is to fight boredom. I recently retired for the second time, and I have found that in retirement my biggest nemesis is in fact boredom. Now I think Arnold is going to keep me busy for quite a while. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and there will definitely be many more to come. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.